Hello, today you're looking at a Udylite PEC 2000 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is air cooled, remote controlled, as you can see right there. Get this going for you in a second. I want to show you guys the nameplate. Here's the inside, great condition. Overall dimensions is going to be 23 inches length, 34 inches width, 69 inches high. This has been tested and checked out here at our facility. Currently wired for 463 phase. We'll get that going for you right now. Bring you guys over to the O-scope. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.